Good day, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024. For the general situation, a weak pressure pattern will support light to gentle breezes across the Turks and Caicos Islands today. Special warnings: a heat advisory is in effect for the Turks and Caicos Islands. The public is urged to stay cool, hydrated, and avoid prolonged exposure during peak sunshine hours. For today's forecast for all areas, weather will be partly to mostly sunny and hot, mostly fair with isolated showers possible tonight. Winds will be variable at 5 knots or less, becoming easterly at 10 knots or less this evening. Seas will be 3 feet or less. The daytime high temperature is expected to rise to 92 degrees Fahrenheit with a heat index of 109 degrees Fahrenheit. The overnight low temperature is expected to drop to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 6:43 p.m. The next high tide is at 1:29 p.m. and the next low tide at 8:08 p.m. For the extended forecast, light to moderate winds with hot and mostly dry conditions will continue well into the week. Excessive heat conditions can be anticipated through Wednesday. Forecast for Tuesday: isolated showers possible during the day, partly to mostly sunny with a high near 92. Fair at night with a low around 78. Winds will be east to southeast at 5 to 10 knots and seas 3 feet or less. Forecast for Friday: a very slight chance of showers in the morning, then a slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Partly cloudy with a high near 91. Chance of rain is 20%. A very slight chance of showers at night, partly cloudy with a low around 77. Chance of rain is 10%. Winds will be east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots and seas 2 to 4 feet. For the tropical weather outlook, potential tropical cyclone 9 is located over the northwestern Caribbean Sea. A tropical depression or storm is likely to form within the next day or two as the system moves northward across the northwestern Caribbean Sea and into the southeastern Gulf of Mexico, where additional development is expected. There is a high chance of tropical formation over the next 48 hours. A tropical wave located between Western Africa and the Cabo Verde Islands is producing disorganized shower and thunderstorm activity. A tropical depression is likely to form during the middle to latter part of this week while it moves westward to west-northwestward across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic. There is a high chance of tropical formation over the next 7 days. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Monday, the 23rd of September, by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Wednesday.